In this activity, you will use Google Drive to store and organize files. Google Drive allows you to store, access, and share files like documents, slideshows, forms, and photos in one central place. Instead of being stored on one computer, your Google Drive files are stored in the cloud, a safe place on the internet where you can save important information. Once something is saved in the cloud, you can easily access it from any computer, smartphone, or tablet with internet access. Files stored in Google Drive won't get lost, even if your computer crashes. Just reboot your computer or log in on another computer or device to find your files online. This example will demonstrate how to save and organize school projects and assignments. But you can also use Drive to store materials for committees or clubs, creative projects, sports teams, volunteer organizations, and lots more. In this lesson, you will create an organization system for school files. This will make it easier for you to find your assignments, keep track of due dates, and stay on track with your schoolwork. As you complete this project in Google Drive, you will create folders for classes and projects, set and change folder colors, rename files and folders, delete, move, and upload files, share files with a classmate, and add a classmate's file to your Drive. To complete this activity, first sign in to your Google account. Open a new tab in your browser and sign in now. If you don't have a Google account, create one before beginning this lesson. Then, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to google.com. Then, open Google Drive. Create a new folder to store your files and folders for this lesson. Name it Practice Organizing Files in Drive. After creating your Drive folder, click back to the tab with this video. Next, add files to Drive. Click on the 12 starter project links next to this video and copy each project. These are school notes, assignments, and other materials for 5 classes: history, biology, Spanish, literature, and math. You will organize them in this lesson. Return to the Google Drive browser tab. Click on My Drive. Find the files by searching for the file names or scrolling through Drive. Note that the name of each file you copied starts with the words Copy of Applied Digital Skills. Move all the files into your Practice Organizing Files in Drive folder. Once all the files are moved into the folder, click on each file and rename it. Remove the words Copy of Applied Digital Skills from each file name. The files will be stored in Drive under the new name. The practice school files are now stored in your Drive, but they are not organized. Move on to the next video to begin organizing. Now it's your turn. Create a new folder in Drive and label it Practice Organizing Files in Drive. Click on each starter project link to copy the files. Find the copied files in Google Drive and move them to your Practice Organizing Files in Drive folder. Rename the files by removing the words Copy of Applied Digital Skills and move on to the next video.